Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to activate Paramount Plus on Fire TV so you can start streaming your favorite shows, movies, and sports. Let's get started. 1. Install the Paramount Plus app on Fire TV. First, make sure you have the Paramount Plus app installed on your Fire TV. Steps. Go to Fire TV home screen. Press the home button on your Fire TV remote. Search for Paramount Plus. Use the search function and type in Paramount Plus. Select and install the app. Choose the Paramount Plus app from the results and click Get or Download to install it on your Fire TV. 2. Open the Paramount Plus app. Once the app is installed, you're ready to open it. Steps. Open Paramount Plus. Navigate to your Apps section on Fire TV, or use the Find feature to search for Paramount Plus. Launch the app. Click on the Paramount Plus icon to open the app. 3. Sign in to your Paramount Plus account. To activate the app, you'll need to sign in. Steps. Click Sign In. On the Paramount Plus app's welcome screen, click Sign In. Enter credentials. Enter your email and password associated with your Paramount Plus account. Log in. Click Login to access your account. 4. Activate Paramount Plus on Fire TV via activation code. If you don't have an account or need to activate it on a new device, you'll see an activation code on the screen. Steps. Note the activation code. The app will show a 6-digit activation code. Go to Paramount Plus website. On a computer or mobile device, open your browser and visit www.paramountplus.com/activate. Enter the code. Enter the activation code displayed on your Fire TV screen. Sign in. Log into your Paramount Plus account on the website if prompted. Confirm. Once you enter the code and sign in, click Activate. Your Fire TV will automatically refresh and log you into your Paramount Plus account. 5. Start streaming. After the activation process is complete, you'll have full access to the Paramount Plus library. You can now start streaming movies, TV shows, and sports on your Fire TV. Conclusion. To activate Paramount Plus on Fire TV, simply install the app, log in with your credentials, or use the activation code, and you're all set to enjoy a world of content. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and guides. Enjoy streaming on Paramount Plus.